Welcome to another episode of Markets Dawn Europe, an audio podcast on financial markets for European-based professionals. A minimalistic solution to the information overload in mainstream and social media. This is what you need to know today.
Morning. US stock indices ended between 1 and 1.6% lower yesterday, with most mega-caps losing around 3% and poor updates from Coca-Cola and McDonald's, ahead of Tesla's earnings report after the close, which surprised analysts with a bullish outlook that triggered an after-hours rally of 12%. Tesla reported revenues of $25 billion and earnings of $2.5 billion for the quarter, both up by 8% year-on-year. It raised its 2025 outlook, beat profit margins forecasts, and announced it was not considering a non-autonomous taxi model. European equities finished a touch lower for a third straight session, with L'Oréal and Unilever as the biggest losers among blue-chip names. Deutsche Bank posted a record pre-tax profit in Q3, on the back of stronger revenues at the investment bank, but warned of rising bad loans ahead, and shares ended 1% lower. In forex markets, the dollar continues its recovery trend, driven by strong figures for the US economy, leading to a less dovish Fed and the so-called Trump trades ahead of the election. The DXY dollar index is 4% higher in October, at its strongest level in 2 months. The yen accelerated its depreciation trend, and is once again above 152. Markets in Asia are mostly weaker this morning, with Hong Kong and mainland indices losing 1%. European futures are mixed, while US futures are a touch firmer following Tesla's results. Brent oil is recovering from yesterday's losses, and trades around $75.80 this morning. The Bank of Canada cut its policy rate by 50 basis to 3.75% as anticipated, to boost a weakening economy and signaled further easing measures, as inflation, at 1.6%, is already well below the 2% official target. In credit ratings, Toronto Dominion Bank was downgraded one notch by Moody's to single A2. Today's earnings reports will come from Barclays, Dassault Systems, Honeywell, and UPS. In economics, October's services and manufacturing PMIs for the Eurozone, UK, US, Germany, and France, and US weekly jobless claims. Thanks for your time, see you tomorrow.
Visit laconicbriefs.com to subscribe to our newsletter, including this audio podcast with an extended script if you prefer to read, plus performance tables and charts, all in one place. Delivered straight to your inbox every morning, Monday to Friday.